If you're new to my channel, welcome. How you doing? How's the kids? How's the dog? How's the grass? Okay. If you're returning, you know the deal. Hey gems, how you doing? How's the kids? How's the dog? And how's the grass? All good and swell, I hope. So, I'm here to give y'all something special. Something real special. Y'all ready? You ready? If you really ready, click the like button and show me that you're ready. But I'm gonna still tell y'all anyway, even if you don't click, but you should. So, May is here and so am I. What does that mean? I don't know, but it's the first thing that came to mind. Anyways, May is here and I just thought that I should do something a little different for you guys. Ooh. I'm kind of really digging this like great auntie hair. But anyways, yeah, May is here and I thought I should do something a little special for you guys. I'm gonna call this Mayhair Mayhem, and guess what that means? It's clearly in the name. Whole bunch of hair for the month of May. Every single day from the whole month of May, I am dropping back to back to back. It's a marathon. It's a whole marathon of hair on top of hair on top of hair on top of, if it wasn't for hair, it will be hair on top of anything that you could think of. No, probably not. Anything hair related, I'm gonna drop it all for you guys. And I don't know, I just hope you guys know that this was a lot of work. This is a lot of work, but I wanted to do something because I kind of been missing for the past week or 2 or 3 or 4, and I wanted to do something real special, something a little different. You know, maybe if it goes well, we'll make it an annual thing. Mayhair Mayhem coming to you. If you guys don't want to miss none of this goodness that's coming to you for the month of May, please click that subscribe button down below. If you don't know what it looked like, I'll insert a picture here. That's what it looked like, and you should click it. And put your notification bell on, okay? So you do not miss every video that I drop. I don't know what time I'm gonna drop them, but just know every day you're gonna get a video. You're gonna get a video of hair, loving, glorious, a whole lot of mayhem for your Mayhair, okay? Mayhair Mayhem. If you have any ideas, comment below of what you want to see, any questions, and I'll make it do what it do, okay? And I thank you guys for watching. That's all I got. All right, I hope you guys enjoy. This is one of our styles, so if you want to see how we got this look, you better stay tuned, because your girl did her thing. She did her thing. Y'all see that color though? Oh god. Anyways, this is really all I got right now, and I'm gonna go away now. Okay, bye.